In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll move through a simple flow: finding Webflow through Google, opening your project's live preview, interacting with a highlighted field on the page, entering text there, and finally selecting an item labeled Shopify. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without pausing every second. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and look for the official Webflow result. This ensures you land on the correct site, where you can manage and design your web projects. Once you're on the official page, proceed to your account area so you can get to your dashboard. From your Webflow dashboard, find the project you're working on. On the project card or within the project controls, use the View Site option to open the published version in a new tab. This lets you see the live experience exactly as visitors do, making it easier to verify layout, interactions, and content in a real environment. If your project has multiple environments, make sure you're viewing the current published site for the most accurate check. On the live site, look for the highlighted area that draws your attention. This could be a search field, a call to action module, or another interactive element that has been visually emphasized. Click directly on that highlight to focus it. This helps you confirm that the element is active and ready for input, and it's a good habit to click right on the intended field to avoid interacting with overlapping elements. With the highlighted field focused, type into the highlighted field. Keep your input clear and concise. Short, relevant keywords usually work best for testing. As you type, watch for visual feedback like placeholder shifts, autocomplete hints, or validation messages. These cues indicate that the field is wired correctly and responding to user input as expected. After entering your text, look for the item labeled Shopify and click on Shopify. This might appear as a search result, a menu item, or a linked card depending on how the page is structured. Selecting it should take you to the relevant page or trigger the intended action. Confirm that the navigation feels smooth, the destination loads correctly, and the content aligns with what you expect to see. That's the full sequence. Find Webflow via Google, open your site preview with View Site, click the highlighted element, type into the highlighted field, and click on Shopify. Repeating this flow is a quick way to validate user pathways and ensure everything works end-to-end.